Okay, so this is the part studio that you guys will have access to. You'll have access to all of these parts, and what you're going to do is you're going to find the front view of the part, and then you're going to draw it in your engineering notebook. So I'll show you the front view of this example part, and don't think just because you can't just for not all these parts the correct front view is drawn the way it should be. So you can't just click on front view to find the correct front view. So you're gonna have to rotate the part around until you have the correct front view. In this case, it just happens to be that the front view is the right front view. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on front view and it'll be the right part. Okay. So this is what I would draw. I would draw this exactly how I see it in my engineering notebook with all the lines, the dark lines drawn as object lines. Okay, so let me show you part one as an example, and I'll show you the front view of part one. You can draw it in your engineering notebook. So if you click on part one, and in this case, if I click on the front view, it gives me this is the front view. And while this front view does have a good natural resting position and it has the longest edge facing forward, it doesn't give us the most information for the part. It doesn't show us the most contour. So I'm going to rotate the part around by right clicking and dragging, and I see that this is actually the correct front view. So I'm going to go ahead and click on top so that it centers it for me. I can zoom out and I would draw this shape in my engineering notebook. Of course, submit a PDF of your engineering notebook, and then you have this assignment complete.